Hello everyone, welcome to online e-learning platform of agriculture and GK. In this video, I will discuss about how to crack Telangana State Public Service Commission Agriculture Extension Agriculture Officer exam within first attempt. Let's get started the video. Firstly, I want to discuss about exam pattern of Agriculture Officer exam. In Agriculture Officer exam, selection process is divided into two stages. Part A, written examination objective type. In this, two papers are conducted. Paper 1 is related to general studies and general abilities. In paper first, 150 questions. Duration of paper is 150 minutes. Maximum marks is 150. Paper second, agriculture. Number of questions are comes in paper second, 150. Duration of paper second is 150 minutes. Maximum marks for paper second is 300 marks. Part B is interview. Marks of interview is 50. Total marks of exam is 500. On the basis of part A and part B, candidates are selected. Let's discuss about Agriculture Extension Officer grade 2nd exam pattern. In Agriculture Extension Officer grade 2nd, paper 1 and paper 2 are conducted. In paper 1, general studies and general abilities questions are coming. Number of question 150. Duration of paper first is 150 minutes. Maximum marks is 150. Paper second is related to concerned subject. It's depend on your qualification. Number of questions in paper second is 150. Duration of paper second is 150 minutes. Maximum marks is 150. Total marks 300 of paper 1 and paper second. Paper first, general studies and general abilities. The language of examination of paper first is bilingual, English and Telugu. Paper second, concerned subject is divided into agriculture or agriculture engineering paper. It's depend on your qualification. If you have degree in agriculture or diploma in agriculture polytechnic, agriculture diploma in seed technology, plant protection, organic farming, or if you have graduate degree in commercial agriculture and business management, then your paper is conducted by syllabus of agriculture diploma level, and language of paper is English and Telugu. If you are agriculture engineering student, you have degree of agriculture engineering BTech or BE or diploma, then your paper is conducted by the syllabus of agricultural engineering and examination mode is only English. If you are preparing for Telangana State Public Service Commission Agriculture Extension Officer exam, then you can enroll our course for your selection. In our course, you will get complete notes as per syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2 of TSPSC, video classes of some important topics, one question bank that is printable. In question bank, you will get 10,000 plus multiple choice questions, full length test series, previous year paper. The course price is only 1,499 rupees. If you want to purchase this course, check out video description box. From there you can enroll this course. If you have any query, you can contact with us on our WhatsApp number Link of our WhatsApp number is available in video description box. Let's discuss about the syllabus of Paper 1 General Studies and General Abilities. In Paper First, Current Affairs, International Relations and Events, General Science, India's achievements in science and technology, environmental issue, economy of India and Telangana, geography of India and Telangana, Indian Constitution, society, culture, heritage, art, literature of Telangana, policies of Telangana state, history of modern India with focus on Indian national movement, history of Telangana, logical reasoning, analytical ability, data interpretation, basic English. In Paper Second, Agriculture Diploma level, agronomy, crop production and improved management practices, soil science, plant breeding, seed technology, seed testing, crop pest and their management, plant disease and their management, horticulture and forestry, agriculture economics, agriculture extension and rural development, agricultural energy sources machinery, land surveying, water engineering and greenhouse technology are comes. If you have any query regarding our course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, or you can join our Telegram group or Telegram channel, and you can download our app Agriculture GK, and you also visit our website agriculturegk.in. Links are available in video description box. In video description box, our previous classes links are also available. You can watch our previous classes of TSPSC, AO and AEO exam. Guys, if you found this video is helpful for you, like the video and share the video and subscribe to Agriculture GK channel for more updates. Thank you so much. God bless you all.